In today's software landscape, you can't be complacent. Technology is accelerating at crazy speeds. We need every single one of our Scrum teams to continually improve the way they work together to become more efficient and move our products forward faster. So we use Lucid for sprint reviews and retrospectives and other Scrum ceremonies. It creates an engaging way for each Scrum team to track progress, make improvements, and dig deeper on specific areas of importance. During retrospectives, Lucidspark allows teams to quickly capture highlights of the sprint, including the wins and the areas for improvement. As we work through it, we capture action items, and we can do that with the Lucidspark board, and then use those in subsequent sprints. Lucidspark makes the whole process collaborative for our teams that operate in a hybrid work environment, with some team members in the office, maybe together in a room, and others working fully remotely. Lucidspark is also heavily used in sprint reviews to gather stakeholder feedback and adapt plans as needed. With Lucid, Scrum teams actively engage in these sprint reviews and retrospectives. They're interested in figuring out how they can improve as a team and improve their work. Ultimately, that helps us deliver great products to our customers faster.